In this next lesson of our course, we're going to have another conversation learning Albanian through basketball. So it's going to be a conversation between two people about basketball. As our previous conversation lesson, we're going to read it first only in Albanian, then Albanian and English translation, and then again only in Albanian. These are all Albanian listening lessons, and I urge you to pay as much attention as possible in order to see at what level you are in Albanian, how much you can understand without the translation first, and how much you can remember the second time hearing it without translation. So let's get right into it. A e pe ndeshjen e basketbollit mbrëm? Po, ishte shumë e fortë. Sa pikë shënoi lojtari kryesor? Ai shënoi 28 pikë dhe bëri 6 asistime. Wow! Po 3 pikësha? Ai bëri 4 3 pikësha. Kush fitoi në fund? Ekipi vendas fitoi me 5 pikë diferencë. Now with English translation. A e pe ndeshjen e basketbollit mbrëm? Did you watch the basketball game last night? Po. Yes. Ishte shumë e fortë. It was very intense. Sa pikë shënoi lojtari kryesor? How many points did the main player score? Ai shënoi 28 pikë dhe bëri 6 asistime. He scored 28 points and made 6 assists. Wow! Po 3 pikësha? Whoa! What about 3-pointers? Ai bëri 4 3 pikësha. He made 4 3-pointers. Kush fitoi në fund? Who won in the end? Ekipi vendas fitoi me 5 pikë diferencë. The home team won by 5 points. Meaning 5 points of difference between them. Alright, now again in Albanian. A e pe ndeshjen e basketbollit mbrëm? Po, ishte shumë e fortë. Sa pikë shënoi lojtari kryesor? Ai shënoi 28 pikë dhe bëri 6 asistime. Wow! Po 3 pikësha? Ai bëri 4 3 pikësha. Kush fitoi në fund? Ekipi vendas fitoi me 5 pikë diferencë. Well, I hope you enjoyed this other conversation lesson. Please continue watching our course Learning Albanian Through Sports, and I'll see you in our next video, which is another conversation about another sport. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and if you want one-on-one lessons with me, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I'll see you in our next video.